How to add checklists to Monday.com. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Open your task card. Click on the task where you want to add a checklist. 2. Go to the Updates or Description section. Scroll to the task details and find the Updates or Description field. 3. Type a checklist manually. Use the dash or asterisks to create a checklist format manually. 4. Use a checklist widget or app. Some Monday.com apps offer pre-built checklist templates for better tracking. 5. Assign checklist items to team members. If the checklist has multiple steps, tag team members using @mentions. 6th, track completion progress. Tick off checklist items as they are completed to keep tasks organized. 7. Save and monitor progress. Click Save, and your checklist will remain accessible within the task card.